I can't wait to dial it in and then get it tuned after. Bro, listen to that turbo, bro. It's a lot of drone inside the car, so you can't even hear it. But this shit sounds amazing. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Bramil here. Today we're at my boy shop, King's Auto. As you can see, you can follow him on Instagram and Facebook. If you're in New Jersey, well, we got all the sick cars out here, and we got my car over there. I'm with this shit today, so just doing a few kinks, just sorting out a few kinks on it. But we about to show you what we did with the transmission. So we have the pure drivetrain solution transmission. We did a in-house build. So we bought the, what you call it, the DIY kit. So we have all the, I guess, the clutches and shit right here. So these are the old ones, and we have the new ones in the car. So hopefully when we start putting down power and stuff like that, the car will hold up with the torque. So that's that. And we got the wheels in the back. So we got the slicks. Well, we can't run that right now because it's snowing, but yeah, that's what it is. Let me show you guys what's up with the car inside. Yes, sir. So we gotta bring it in to raise up the rear of the car. We gotta get it higher because when I'm ready to put the slicks on, I don't want it to rub. So we gotta do that and probably drop the front a little bit. We're gonna bring it in right now, put it on the lift. Get this shit running right. Get everything all dialed in before we go on the street. So as you guys can see, we're back again with what you call it? I don't even know what to call this shit, to be honest, but we have the reflex box in there. We have all the injectors connected. All we gotta do now is to drive 500 miles on the transmission, get it dialed in before we bring it to the tuner and shit. But you guys stay tuned because it's about to be a movie. I won't be posting at all how much this car makes. Not yet. We won't be. So you guys just gonna see this thing saucing on the street. Alright. We're just still doing some shit on the car. For a lot of people that don't know what suspension I'm on, we got the KWV2s, but we about to raise the back just a little bit and lower the front. But now we're working on the fuel system, which is right here, and this is the boost pressure sensor, which is right here also. So we got to get that dialed in. And we got the KLM dual wastegate dump tubes. I gotta find an exhaust to put on here. So we gotta get that shit working. Get all of this dialed in. Then we gotta bring it to the tuner after. You know what I'm saying? Remember, KLMRACE. They got the best kits for any single turbo car right now. Any single turbo car, bro. Just check out KLM. Tell them that I sent you B50 Eclipse. You get a discount. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, we're gonna see what this new transmission is about. See how good it works. And I'll catch you guys when everything's finished. Now we changing the spark plugs. These are cooked. Like, they are donezo, bro. But look at these shits. That's why I'm happy we're changing it. we almost done. I'm gonna probably do a POV after all of this and then let you guys hear the car sounds and tell you how the car feels after everything. Won't give away too much of what's going on in the engine bay, but that's a sneak peek of everything that's going on right now. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. As you can see, guys, after a long time of waiting, we're back. Try to get this shit up and running and see what it's all about. But I'll keep you guys posted when it's out of the shop. Anyways, we're back, guys. We had to bring back the car inside the shop because the transmission is still giving some issue. So we're gonna take it over to Pure Drivetrain Solutions tonight and see if they can diagnose what's going on. Because right now, bro, I'm a bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be that way. I'm trying to keep my mind and spirit free, bro. Try to have positive vibes to ensure that everything's gonna go good. But we're about to see when we drop it off tonight, then everything's finished. I'll get back to you guys. We already dropped the drive shaft, but we're draining whatever oil is left in the transmission. Then we're gonna disconnect whatever wire we need to and then drop it and then bring it over to Pure Drivetrain Solutions. So I'll keep you guys updated. Damn, what a headache. Can't wait for this shit to be done. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Bramil again. It's been over some weeks, that my car has been down, but right now we're on our way to Pure Drivetrain Solutions in Long Island, New York. I dropped off the transmission last night to get some extra stuff done, but I didn't record it. So today I had the opportunity to film everything so far, but yeah, I'm only like 26 minutes away. I don't know if you guys can see that on the, what you call that, the center console. So yeah, I'm about to pick it up and then bring it back to my shop so I can put it in the car. Bro, look at this Audi. This is so small, bro. What the heck was that? But yeah, I'm on my way there now to pick it up and see what's going on with it, because we had a little issue. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on that. Hopefully it's not something that's a headache, that I know they can fix it, because it's not something that's super crazy. I'm about to catch you guys on the flip side. Peace. And just like that, guys, we made it to Pure Drivetrain Solutions. I just realized that the angle, or what you call it, the lens or the angle that I was filming earlier, bro, it was on wide angle. That's why everything seems so far away. But now I'm on at a closer angle, so you guys can see everything like properly. So we're here now, turn left, and then take the first right. I'm gonna pull up. Oh, I was about to say where this place is. I forgot. So I'm gonna pull up and then we're here. So now we're about to see what's going on. Turn right. So I'll keep you guys posted once I get inside. Arrived. Okay guys, so we just picked up the transmission from Pure and the torque converter and some goodies that they gave me, but we didn't get to film it coming out of the shop. So yeah, this is the update, and I can't wait to put this back in the car and stuff like that. just make sure everything's running and everything's perfect. So I'll catch you guys again on the flip side of when it's in the car and the car is driving and everything. What's up, guys? We're back in the car. Finally, everything's finished and dialed in. So right now I'm just test driving it to see how it feels. Everything feels great. Besides all of that, yeah, I can't wait to dial it in and then get it tuned after. Bro, listen to that turbo, bro. It's a lot of drone inside the car, so you can't even hear it. But this shit sounds amazing. I can't wait to get it dialed in 100%. That video is gonna be crazy when it's on the dyno. But this is just a little short film of me driving the car, testing it. That's all. Nothing too crazy yet, because we gotta break in the transmission and all that type of stuff to make sure that everything's good. The transmission, everything, what you want to call it, like it's relearning how the car drives, all that type of stuff. So that's what we're doing right now on this initial drive, and then after that it's a go. So I'll see you guys in the new video that I'll be posting with the dyno tune. So I appreciate you guys for being a part of this journey. There's a lot more to come. This is not the only thing. This is just the starting, bruh. This is the starting. We're gonna be going crazy with this car.
2 miles.
Everything's gonna be amazing, bro. So continue with me on this journey. For all of you guys that watch the video and don't subscribe, bro, subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, bro. We're trying to get up there like everyone else. We're gonna have one of the craziest M340 builds online. So tune in, bro. Alright, see you guys. Appreciate it.